What is going on, everybody? My name is Jeff, and today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to get video chat and screen share to work in a server voice channel. Now, currently Discord hasn't released an update where you're able to video chat or screen share in a server, and we believe they're doing that in the future. I think they're in the works, I don't know, but they have left a little bit of a thing to where we are able to do this. Let's brand new server just made, sorry about that. Where we're able to do this. Okay, now the first thing you're going to want to do, and for this to work you have to do this with all these steps. This is important. You got to go down to your user settings. Okay, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see appearance under text and images. You're going to click that. Then you're going to go all the way down to where you see it says developer mode. Have this turned on. All right, when you see it's going to be off, go ahead and click that on. That's going to be able, you're going to be able to see your server ID and channel ID through this. Okay, so make sure you have that clicked on there. You're going to press escape. Now I'm going to go ahead. I have the previous one here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is going to be the format you're going to be using. This is a link method. So you're going to have your server ID there, and then you're going to have your channel ID there. This is the layout you're going to have to use, all right? So you got your HTTPS, you got your Discord app /channel/server ID /channel ID, all right? In this exact order. Don't switch them. I don't even know if it works the other way. Just sake of this video, just keep it like that. All right, now here's where turning on developer mode comes in. You can now right click up top, and then you'll have a new thing called copy ID. I don't know if it's the same for you guys, but you're going to see copy ID right here. You're going to go ahead and click that. Okay, that is your server ID. All right, and go ahead and go down, replace your server ID with that little thing you copied. It's going to be these numbers right here. Okay, now here's your channel ID. Okay, keep in mind, if you want to do this for multiple different voice channels, you're going to have to do multiple, like you're going to have to make multiple links, all right? Because each voice channel has a different ID. So I'm doing one for general, all right? So what you're going to do is you're just going to right click your voice channel and go down and click copy ID. And you're going to go over here. Then you're going to paste it under channel ID, all right? And this is what you're left with. Obviously, your server ID and channel ID are going to be different than mine, but you're going to see that it's going to be filled in like this. All right, now you can go ahead and just paste it anywhere you want. All right, make sure it's in the server. So if you want anybody else to be able to use it, it's not like a thing that activates it throughout your entire server. I'll go ahead and show you. You're going to go ahead, and this is important. You have to be in voice chat for this to work. If you're not in there, you can't just click it and automatically join, so you can't see anything, right? You're going to go and click and go into one of your voice channels, wherever you have it activated in. Then you're going to click the link. As you can see, I'm able to screen share. I'm able to video chat. I would show you video chat to be able to work and everything, but since I'm recording, it's just like lagging me out. I can't turn on my camera. I'm already using my camera for this. I just have it hidden onto OBS for now, so I won't be able to turn on my camera at the moment. But this does work. Now keep in mind, this only works for PC. It does not work for mobile devices. I don't know why it doesn't work for mobile devices. Discord, I don't know if Discord has even released like news on why it doesn't, but they haven't even released like an official update on this to work, right? So essentially, just make sure you are in here and make sure that anybody who joins, all right, they're only going to be able to use this link if they're on PC. Let's say I had a friend join. All he has to do is go in the voice chat, click the link, boom, he can pop up. He can turn on his camera. He can see me. This essentially is just a regular DM call in your server. So that's about it. Like I said, if you want to do this for multiple, because I have one of my servers that runs like obviously a lot of different voice channels, and I have a link for every separate one. So I suggest for you guys, just go ahead and make a quick little text thing and call it VC screen share links, right? And then you're gonna go ahead and click create channel, and then you could drag it like above, and then I'll go ahead and post that in here. Oop. This. There we go. Go ahead and post that in here. Boom. Now you can do this for multiple, so you can just like you can literally just name these, right? So general, and then now we know that it's for the general voice chat. So I don't know. I personally go into I code and program and work a lot out of Discord. So I like to be in voice chat with a lot of other people that I work with, and it's just a lot more easy. You know what I mean? Instead of DM calling, we can have other people just pop in, and then we could just have the links up, so we were able to screen share, debug whatever we're trying to do at that moment. So that's pretty much the end of this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment down below what you want to see in future videos. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers by the end of next month. Hopefully we can make that my last video. I think only got about 11 views so far, but that's okay. I just started this channel, so hopefully we're getting somewhere with it. But like I said, if you guys liked this video and this tutorial helped you out, please let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll go ahead and leave a link to my Discord channel for my Planet Dev. Essentially, it's just a giant little tech server that I have 271 people. I'll leave a link to my Instagram if you want to shoot me a follow. I'll be doing updates on my next time I'm posting. On top of my Snapchat, all of those I'll make sure to let you guys know when I'm posting next or next time I'm posting. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.